Hey y'all, it's your girl Bree. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you are not new. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I pluck these brows of mine. Now, as you can see, my brows aren't really that thick. They're actually on the thin side, but your girl plucks them because every now and again, you know, some hairs are growing that's not in the shape that I like. I used to go ahead and get my eyebrows waxed, but the past few times I went, she made them even thinner than what they already are, and I was just disgusted and fed up. So I said, you know what, I'm just gonna pluck my eyebrows from now on, and that's what I've been doing. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I pluck my eyebrows. Okay, so I went on ahead and brought you guys real close to me. I know it's super duper close, but I want you to be able to see my eyebrows. So to start off, I'm just gonna take a spoolie, and this is just the end of a eyebrow pencil that I had. So you just want to go ahead and brush your eyebrows. Then what I like to do is take some moisturizer or some lotion and just put them on my eyebrows, because I don't know why, but my eyebrows tend to get really dry. So once you have them brushed up and into the shape that you would normally wear your eyebrows, you just want to take your tweezers. Have my tweezers, make sure that they're sterile, you know, rub them down with some alcohol, whatever you want to do. And what I like to do is kind of envision where I want my brow to like start to arch, and I like to go in on the arch first. So like this hair right here is not within that arch, so just take it, pull it out. And then as you start pulling hairs out, you'll start to see a more defined shape, and then you can tailor which hairs you want to pull out as you go along. So it's really about pulling out hairs to your desired eyebrow shape. So I'm just going to continue to pull out the hairs in this eyebrow, and y'all will begin to see the shape that it forms. Alright, so once I have most of my bottom done, I just like to go in and brush the hairs down, because now I'm going to start to pull hair from the top. In these hairs, I'm really just pulling the hairs that are not even really attached to the whole eyebrow itself. They're just kind of straggling up there, and I'm not sure if you guys can see them, but they're just kind of straggling up there. I'm just going to pull those out. Alright, so I have this eyebrow done, and since my eyebrows are pretty thin, I don't like to over pluck, and I feel like this is good enough for me to work with, to where I fill my eyebrows in and it'll look good, because I do fill my eyebrows in when I do my makeup. So I feel like this is a great brow to work with, a nice base. I don't want to over pluck it. Then I'm just going to move on to the next brow. Alright, so that's all the plucking that I'm going to do for both eyes. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and fill my eyebrows in so you guys can see what it looks like and how I go ahead and do that. But before I do that, you want to make sure that you go ahead and rub your eyebrows down with alcohol. So I'm just going to take a cotton ball and put some alcohol on it and just rub my eyebrows with the alcohol, just to kind of disinfect it a bit. So that's all I do when I pluck my eyebrows. And then I just go ahead and fill them in. I just take my favorite eye pencil, or eyebrow stuff, as I say. And I'm just doing this to show you guys how clean it looks after my eyebrows have been freshly plucked. So y'all, these are my eyebrows after I give myself a fresh pluck. I prefer to pluck my eyebrows over waxing them, only because the wax lady would wax my eyebrows entirely too thin and it would just not look right to me. So I just like to pluck them because I only need a little bit plucked off the bottom and a little bit plucked off the top to make my perfect brow shape for when I go ahead and fill them in. So that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and hit that bell notifications to be notified each and every time you post a new video. And also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. You don't want to miss all the action on my Instagram. I do polls on Instagram. I post fire pictures on Instagram. I interact with you guys on Instagram. All that good stuff. So go ahead over and follow my Instagram. All that information will be in the description box down below. And I will catch you in my next video. Bye.